Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to check TikTok notification settings. First, open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you will see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. You can see the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon. Now, you will see two options: Creator Tools and Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you will see many options. From there, tap on Push Notifications. And from here you can check the notifications settings. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to check TikTok notification settings. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.